Okay, we are going to make a short video for this Lathe MR2940 alloy wheel diamond cutting CNC lathe. So here is a control station, and the machine will be doing digitizing, try run, and cutting. So you have a idea everything in this process. Okay, here is digitizing probe, setting up, ready to go. And this is the operator's control panel. All right. Okay. So we are going to start the digitizing shortly. So it is digitizing along a typical path for this rim. Now the stylus is climbing up. It will continue to move until it stops at the end of the lip. When it stops, we will move away, then save the distance before we do try run. Okay, that's a 0 point. We will define that on a computer before we do a try run. Okay, now we start doing try run. The cutting tool will be following the digitized profile all the way to the very end. Okay, we will set it up to make a machining.